Well, we get asked this a lot. Let's start with success stories. If you can find someone, maybe not even in the same industry, but with a similar application that has successfully implemented an immersive program, go crib off of that. Talk to them, read any case studies you can find, start with that. You'll find there are places where you might not have thought of this or that aspect. You'll find that there's this or that solution that maybe you'll need yourself. The next thing that you want to do is document your requirements and your success criteria. Your requirements, of course, are what you need to accomplish. What is the reason that you're, doing this immersive effort? Why are you starting this program? Why has it been decided to budget it? What are the expectations of it? Document all of that, and then make sure you document how it will be measured down the road. Get all your stakeholders involved up front. This is going to double your success chances. The next thing that you want to do, consult with experts, partner up. You want to work with people who have done this before, if at all possible. Again, it's going to cause a huge boost to your chances for success. The next thing that you're going to do when you have all these parts in place is you're going to do a proof of concept. When you do your proof of concept, you're talking about an instance of 1 or 2 or 3 users perhaps, and making sure all the pieces work together, because it's not a drop it in one solution fits all kind of a thing. You're putting pieces of technology together. So when you do your pilot, when you do your proof of concept, do it, of course, but also look at how you're going to scale it. If you fail to look at scaling it, you're going to come back and look at it when it's less convenient. Do it up front. And then finally, look at your total cost of ownership. There are things that go into the cost of the whole effort that you might not think of casually, or you might not even think you need to do a TCO plan, but you do. And one of the things that you want to make sure that you consider is not the initial cost alone, but your ongoing support, your maintenance, your training, your everything, that has to go into the program for the life of the program, not just the upfront costs. If you take care of those 5 steps, you'll be much, much better positioned to win, to be successful.